हेलो स्टूडेंट, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको द सॉन्ग ऑफ द फ्री बाय स्वामी विवेकानंद एक्सप्लेनेशन बताएंगे। फर्स्ट है द वुंडेड स्नैक से लेकर के लॉइंस रेज स्टैंजा फर्स्ट लाइंस 1 to 4। रेफरेंस दीज लाइंस हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द पोएम द सॉन्ग ऑफ द फ्री कंपोज्ड बाय स्वामी विवेकानंद। Context: in these lines, Swamiji tells us the reaction of an injured snake and an injured lion. Explanation: Swamiji says that on being oppressed, even the wounded animals react with power and anger. He says that wounded snake raises its hood to face the tyrant. On being stirred, a simple flame bursts into a big fire. A wounded lion roars in rage in an echoing desert against its enemy. They do not lose courage even in their plight. नेक्स्ट है द क्लाउड पोट्स से लेकर के अनफोल्ड देयर बेस्ट स्टैंजा 2 लाइन्स 5 to 8। रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट: Swamiji describes that even the natural phenomena react violently against oppression. Explanation: the lightning thunders and flashes and thus tears the wrist of cloud. Even in that badly injured state, the cloud reacts with all its might and pours down so much of rain that the earth has to suffer from heavy flood. Similarly, when disturbed very much, the great men come up with their best abilities. नेक्स्ट है लेट आइज ग्रो से लेकर के ब्लॉक द वे स्टैंजा 3 लाइन्स 9 to 12। रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट: इन दीज लाइन्स स्वामीजी मेंशन द probable horrors that may appear before you. Explanation: Swamiji advises us not to be afraid when our eyes get weak or the heart loses its strength. He further asks us not to brood about a faithless friend or an insincere lover. He encourages us to stand bravely and face 100 dreadful calamities sent by ill fate. He wants us to march on bravely despite the danger that blocks our progress. नेक्स्ट एंड नेचर वेयर से लेकर के टू द गोल स्टैंजा 4 लाइन 13 to 16। रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट: द पोएट हेयर गाइड्स अस टू बी बोल्ड बिकॉज वी आर इमॉर्टल सोल्स। Explanation: Swamiji says even if the forces of nature pose danger and bring disaster in our way, we must not worry for them. We are not only physical bodies that die, we are immortal souls. Our souls are beyond birth and death. We have godly element in us. We should not be afraid of calamities. We must not wander this or that way. We must march on and on direct to achieve the aim of our life. Thanks. Best of luck.